It's not very full. You wanna fill it up more? Oh. Okay. Might as well fill it up, no? Maybe. I'll leave it like that. Not open. Mococo, salary, how is that doing? Sneezy. Okay, hasn't really changed too much. No. Okay. Then Mococo, let's go.
Sweating, I retired to the drawing room with a cup of tea. The relic pieces lay spread across the table as I'd left them. But somehow, I knew how it was supposed to be. I fetched the tar, which I had prepared to fix the pieces together, and without fault,